This is my portrait illustration of Batman, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page. We're going to draw a fold in between the eyes. Starting on the left side, we're going to go up and then down. Now let's go over towards the left side. We're going to draw a straight angle line going up and then out towards the top of the brow. And then do the exact same thing on the right. Let's work our way down the side, bend this down and then out. Now I want to curve the eyelid. I'm going to come across and then bend that in underneath the brow. And we'll tuck the eyes in underneath. So starting back on the left side, curve this down and in towards the bottom. Curve this up and then in underneath the brow. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes from the inside. Curve this down and out on both sides. Now add a big thick trim along the bottom. Starting on the left, curve this down and in. And bend this in and then up towards the inside of the brow. We're going to add that thick edge across the top of the brows. From the inside of the eyes, bend this in and then up from the left and right. And then we're going to bend this up and then out towards the sides. Let's go back to the center in between the brow, draw a straight line coming down toward the tip of the nose. And then from here, we're going to angle this up and then out toward the left and right side. Let's go back to the inside corner of the eyes, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Now from here, we're going to bend the mask going out and then up towards the side. And let's add a point. We're going to come down and then in. Let's go directly underneath the nose. We're going to draw the mouth. We're going to start with a point. This angle is up and then up toward the left and right with a slight curve. And then bend this out and then down towards the corners of the mouth. On the ends, let's add a small bracket. Now directly underneath, we're going to add a curve for the lip. From the left, come down and then up. And I'll tuck the chin in underneath, starting on the left side, and it's out and then down. I'm going to add a thick fold around the corners of the mouth, starting on the left side, then it's out and then in. Let's go up underneath the mask. We're going to add another fold, going out and then down. From the outside of the mask, I'm going to draw a straight line coming down towards the chin, and left and right. Now I'm going to bend this down and in towards the chin. Coming down and then in towards the middle. And then round out the bottom. Coming down and then up. Now just in the center, I'm going to draw a small line going up. Now we're going to go back up to the top corners of the eye. We're going to draw a straight angle line going up and then in towards the top of the brow. And then from here, we're going to draw a straight line going all the way up on the edge of the ears. Now along the top, we're going to gradually bend that in. From the top of the ears, we're going to bend this down and then in on top of the head. And we'll add trim going out and then down. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve going across the top of the head and then back down. Now let's go back up to the tip of the ears. We're going to draw the outside edge of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to taper this out so it gets wider. As you come down the side of the head, we're just going to bring this down towards the side of the eye. Let's go back up to the top right. We're going to do the same thing. Going out, and then bring that down toward the same height. Let's move up. We're going to tuck the ears in behind. So we're going to step up on the left, bend this down and then out with a short curve. Just going to round this out, come down, and then in across the cheeks. Now I want to tuck the jaw in underneath, so we're going to step back, come straight down towards the jaw. We're going to round out the jaw and then pull that in towards the side. And now I'm going to switch to my thin black marker and add some fine details. Let's start with the inside of the brow. I'm going to add a few wrinkles going up and then out on either side. And then from the jaw, we're going to work our way up and then out. Now I'm going to finish off with a few more details around the mask. And once we're done, we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a portrait illustration of Batman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.